Very high speeds while driving is dangerous. Likewise, high currents in electrical circuit is dangerous too. Our whole house can be destroyed due to the fire caused by current overload, or you may get fatal shocks from faulty appliance. To prevent these kind of scenarios, our homes have a protection system which includes fuses or MCBs, also known as miniature circuit breaker. So in this video, we will see what these protection systems are and see what they do in our house. So let's get started. First, let's see what are fuses. There exists a lot many types of fuses, from modern day cartridge fuses to very old socket fuses. This is a socket fuse made of porcelain. This fuse is useless as its terminal got rust. This fuse is held in place in the fuse socket, which is also made of porcelain. The reason why fuses are made up of porcelain is because it is hard, non-conductive, non-flammable, and it can handle very high temperatures. The current must pass through the fuse wire, so it is in series with the live wire. When the current exceeds a certain limit, the fuse wire starts to get hot and it will eventually melt down and break the circuit, thereby protecting the appliance connected to it, and also not causing any fire due to current overload. If this happens, you will need to replace the fuse wire to power your home. Now it's with you to choose the right fuse wire for your home. You should choose the fuse wire according to your load. If you just want to have a power outlet and want to light some bulbs, fuse wire with 2 ampere rating is more than enough. Vehicle circuit use direct current from the battery. In your vehicle, you could find many fuses which will protect your vehicle circuit from overloading and prevent this from happening. All electrical instruments in your vehicle like sound system, headlight, backlight, horn have their own fuse. If the bulb in your vehicle needs to light up, the current must go through the fuse, and if the current is too high, the fuse will blow up and the bulb will not glow. You will need to replace the blown up fuse to light the bulb again. Here are some rules for using a fuse. A fuse should be always in series with the live wire or positive wire and not in series with neutral or negative wire or the ground wire. Fuse wire should be chosen according to the load. Simple copper or aluminum wire should not be used as a fuse as it has a high melting point, so it will not melt when there is a current overload. In conclusion, fuses protect the circuit from current overload. Next, we have MCB. Taking a closer look at the MCB, it resembles like a switch. And of course, it is a switch. Normally, you could use it as a switch by pushing the knob up to turn on the circuit and pushing the knob down to turn off the circuit. In my home, we use it to turn on and off the submersive pump. Don't think that MCB can only do this. They'll also protect the circuit from current overload. As the name applies, MCB breaks the circuit when the current exceeds the limit. When the current crosses the limit of the MCB, it gets tripped. You can say a MCB is tripped by looking at the position of the knob. If it is facing down, then the MCB is tripped. Unlike fuses, you don't need to change anything or replace anything. You can turn the power on by just pushing the knob upwards. This mechanism can happen 1,000 times without any failures and faults. MCBs are preferred over fuses as they are very fast in breaking the circuit. I hope you learned something new about MCBs and fuses. That's it for now. I will see you in the next video. Until that, stay creative and stay safe.